Are you in need of a delicious and healthy quick dinner idea? Fabulous, you are in the right place. Follow me as I make a turkey and mushroom curry with green beans. Prep your vegetables before you start the recipe process. This will lower your stress levels while you're cooking because everything will already be cut and prepped. First up, we're going to cut our onion. Onions are really good for the cardiovascular system. Next up, we're going to mince some garlic. Also in the onion family, by the way, so really good for our hearts and our blood vessels. But also, garlic is like an antibiotic, so pretty powerful food. Now heat a pan over medium-low heat and add your avocado oil. Don't forget, avocado oil likes heat. That's why I cook with it. And it also is a good source of healthy fat. Now add your onions, stir them around to coat the oil in the onions, and we're just going to saute them until they're translucent. Add a little sea salt. This will help the onions sweat out their water. Keep sauteing until they're super golden and soft. Now we're going to add in our organic ground turkey. Get it as lean as you can and chop it up, spread it apart, cook evenly until cooked all the way through. Once it's cooked, we want to remove the cooked onions and ground turkey into a bowl and set it aside. Now to the hot pan, we're going to add in our chicken broth. This is going to help release all of the sooks, aka the flavoring, off the bottom of the pan. So you want to just scrape it and get all the beautiful bits and bobs off the bottom. Now add in your minced garlic and just let it saute for like 30 seconds until you start to smell it. And then we're going to add in our cut up mushrooms. Did you know mushrooms are an immune stabilizer? Yeah, all that nutrition right in the food. Now add some sea salt and give it all a good stir. We're just going to cook those mushrooms down for a few minutes. Okay, time to add back in the turkey and cooked onions. As always, give it all a good mix until everything is well combined. Time to add in our turmeric. Turmeric is extremely anti-inflammatory, so I add it to as many recipes as I possibly can. It also has a really great flavor. Now, to make this curry, we are going to add curry spice to it as well. So we're going to double down on that turmeric. Give it all a good stir once again. Super easy. Time to add in our coconut milk. This is going to give it a wonderful creamy texture without having dairy. Let's serve it up. Put your turkey mixture in a bowl, and next to it just add some steamed green beans, or you can blanch them. The details of how to prepare your green beans is in the recipe below. I love showing you that healthy cooking can be simple, but it can also be delicious.